It's not easy.
Wow, it became cloudy. Again, the sun is gone.
Hi guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to my channel and my kitchen. Ooh, it's getting colder and colder here in Portugal. That's why I like spending more of my time doing something at home, like what I'm going to do today. I'm so excited. Another day, another experiment. After my successful attempt to make an apple pie in my previous video, today I'm going to challenge myself to make cinnamon rolls. Again, this is also my first attempt at making these rolls, so we will see if I'm going to beat this challenge or not. Why I decided to make cinnamon rolls today is because I missed it so much and I haven't had it since I moved to Lisbon. The best cinnamon roll I've had so far was the one that I had in Bali. If you guys are planning to go to Bali for a holiday, I have some vlogs where I talk about some nice restaurants which serve some tasty food that you can try while you are in Bali. So don't forget to check it out. I'll put the link in the description box below. Alright then, now without any further ado, let's get started! I have prepared all the ingredients to make the dough. The first thing that we want to do is to bloom the yeast using the warm milk. Now let's mix all the ingredients. I need my big bowl. Whisk together the warm milk, sugar, and melted unsalted butter. Then sprinkle the yeast evenly over the mixture, stir and let it sit in a warm place for about 10 minutes until the yeast has bloomed. A cold environment will slow down the yeast growth. So when you start seeing some bubbles, it means the yeast is growing. Yep, that's what we want. And to this, I will add 4 cups of flour, alright? Then I need to stir it again until it is well combined. The result that we want here is a wet messy dough, and I need to make sure that there are no flour pockets in it. Alright, I think I stirred it enough and now I need to leave the dough to rise for an hour. So while waiting for the dough, I will prepare the baking dish and the filling. Now I'm just going to spread the butter generously so later the rolls will not stick to the baking dish after coming out from the oven. Okay, it's done. I will put it aside. And now let's make the filling. The filling consists of sugar, soft unsalted butter, and ground cinnamon. Mix them well and set it aside. Wow! Wow, let's poke. If you see little bubbles like this, it means that the yeast is definitely alive in your dough. And now it's time to knead the dough. Now I need to add 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt. The salt will not make the dough salty. It is only used to enhance the flavors only. Stir them well, then move it onto a clean surface. I need to leave a bit flour nearby to use it when the dough starts becoming sticky to my hand or the baking paper. I need to knead the dough for at least 10 minutes until it is smooth and bounce back when I poke it. It's not coming back well. This one is coming back slowly. Alright, hopefully it's gonna be okay. Next, I need to stretch it a little bit, then roll it out into a nice rectangle shape. It's not easy. I thought it would be easier than the apple pie, but it turned out that it's harder. I'm already tired. Oh my god. I cannot give up now. It is not rectangle. I gave up. This is the best rectangle shape I could make. Next, let's add the filling. I will spread the filling evenly over the dough. And I will leave 1 centimeter on the top plane so later I can seal the roll well. Ooh, time to roll. I need to roll it slowly and tightly into a log shape. Finally done. It looks like a nice roll. Now I need to cut this log into evenly pieces, about 8 centimeters thick each. I forgot to buy the dental floss, so here I'm using a sewing thread instead. Hehe. Ta-da! It's done! But why are they so chunky? Oh my god, they are so chunky. Place the rolls into the baking dish, then cover them with clean towel and leave them in the warm place for 35 to 45 minutes to proof. Oh, you hit your head. I'm sorry, mommy woke you up. Go back to sleep. Oh, my baby. While I'm preheating the oven, let's make the frosting. In the medium bowl, I need to mix cream cheese, powdered sugar, melted unsalted butter, vanilla extract, and milk. Mix them well and set it aside. Glazing time! Add the frosting over the cinnamon rolls and using spatula or the back of your spoon, spread it as you like. Look at that! Let's do the taste test now. Look at this. Wow, looks so yummy. This is so good. I like the cinnamon taste in it. But this is too sweet for me, so I think next time I'll reduce the sugar for the filling. The dough turned out to be so fluffy, just like what people said in the comment section of the recipe video. Overall, everything is good, although I don't know what caused my dough became so big. I need to Google that later. So, what I love from making the cinnamon rolls was that I didn't need to use any fancy machine like blender or food processor. You guys should try making the cinnamon rolls too, especially because the holiday season is coming. I think these rolls will be a perfect dessert for the upcoming holiday season, which is Christmas. Well, thank you so much for watching until the end, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me cooking. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Now I'll enjoy my cinnamon roll and my hot chocolate while watching movie. Have a good day you all. Bye!